Here's the GoPro Hero 4K 2024 model. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. So right out of the box, this is everything that came included right here. The only thing we're going to need is just this and the charging cable. All right. Now just note that this Hero doesn't come with a removable battery like all the other GoPros, like the GoPro Hero, the latest one is like 13. It doesn't have a removable battery. It's actually built in. First thing we want to do is put in our SD card. I only have a 128 giger, but you can put a 64 giger up to 512 gigabytes for this Hero, okay? The GoPro 13, the new one as well, this one takes up to 1 TB, 1 terabyte, okay? Anyway, so we want to go ahead and open this up. And it might be a little bit tricky when you first pull it out of the box because it kind of gets stuck, but what you want to do is press this button, this lever up. So put your fingernail in there, and then you just want to go ahead and just pop it up, just like that, okay? We got our SD card slot there and our charging port. So let's go ahead and put the SD card in there, just have the GoPro logo facing us, and just make sure that this side goes into the SD card slot, and it's spring loaded. So what you got to do is press down all the way down until you hear a click. If you want to eject it, just go ahead and press all the way down, and then you can go ahead and take it out. Okay, let me snap it back in place now. And now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. I'm just going to use my other cable here. Let's go ahead and pop this in, just in case if we need battery juice. And it's coming on automatically. You can see right there. Now we got some things to do really quickly on the GoPro itself. So when you're up here, go ahead and choose your language. I'm good with English. Legal stuff, you have to agree to the terms to continue. So I'm going to tap on agree right there. Use voice control. You can turn it on or off. You can turn it off and turn it on later. It doesn't matter, but I'm just going to go ahead and leave it on for myself. Voice control language, English. I'm good with that. I'll tap on confirm. SD card checking. You can see battery juice is only 20%. Okay, so now we have to go ahead and download the GoPro Quik app on your phone. Okay, you can go ahead and scan this and go to the Apple Store or your Play Store if you're on an Android phone. Okay, anyway, I'm using an iPhone here, so if I go to my App Store here, just type in GoPro and Quik, Q-U-I-K, okay, and then this is what the app here looks like. Go ahead and download it, install it, and then go ahead and open it up. And then from here, when it says open, I'm going to tap on GoPro down here on the bottom right hand side. And then I'm going to go ahead and tap on the plus sign up here, top right hand side. It found my GoPro already. If it doesn't find it, you can go back to that area where you can actually select the GoPro Hero. Okay, anyway, find my here. I'm going to go ahead and connect the camera. Let's go ahead and tap right there. It's pairing. Get a pairing request here. I'm going to tap on pair. Camera said it was paired. Name your GoPro. You can keep a GoPro Hero. You can change it. I'm fine with just GoPro Hero. I don't want to save that. Name is saved. Let's make sure you're getting all the latest update features and improvements. Tap on continue. Connecting to your camera's Wi-Fi. Get a request to join Wi-Fi network. Looks like we have an update here. I'm going to go ahead and tap on continue. Legal disclaimer, read through that. If you accept it, tap on accept and continue down there. It's updating the camera. You can see the status bar on there as well as on the GoPro. It says downloading update there. Now it says installing update on the phone and updating on the GoPro. This part here may take a little bit, maybe 5 minutes or so. Just make sure that you have continue to keep on the GoPro and don't leave this app, okay? Also, the GoPro is going to power off and on a few times. Okay, it says update complete right there. Now we just have to wait a moment until it says it's done here as well. I just got a beep on the GoPro. Okay, now it says check your camera. Update is complete, and you can see your live view from the camera on the rear screen. Let's tap on continue here. Connect to the cloud, auto update, get highlight video, so you can subscribe for upload, or you can say I'll do this later and never do it, or just go ahead and do it later. Your Hero is ready. Let's go ahead and tap on let's go here. In-app stabilization, go ahead and read through that and tap on got it. And looks like we are in business, guys. I should just let this still charge. Anyway, there we go. Looks like we're all set, ready to go.